Hello everyone. This application is all about create task from repair. This create task from repair order in Odoo app is designed to revolutionize the way you handle the repair orders within your business. It offers a unique and perfect solution to automate and manage tasks generated from repair orders, ensuring that no critical steps are overlooked and that your team remains synchronized with throughout the process. This is for Odoo 17 Enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. First we need to go to the repair module. Under the repair module you can create a new repair order, that is I will select the customer. I will give the product to repair, and here I will give the product quantity, and if you want to return you can return it. And here the parts you can add or remove or recycle. So I am adding the part called cabinet with doors, and here the demand. So all these information will be filled and saved. And once this is done, you can see there is a create task button. Clicking on that, this wizard will be opening up. So this wizard is the where it is connected with a project module. So whatever the task will be created, this will be going inside the project task module. So the title I will be giving, and the project I will give as office design, and I will give the assignees. So who will be the assignees for this particular task you can give, and what will be the allocated hours for this particular task you can give, and what will be the deadline you can select, and the tags can be provided, that is the bug or experiment or internal or external. I will give internal, and here also in the description you can just provide the description, and you can click on create task. Once after that, you will be able to see this task will be created in the project module task. Clicking inside that, you will be able to see all these information which will be put up in the wizard will be updated in this particular project module task. The project, the title, assignees, the tag and the deadline and the description, all these information will be updated. So if I go to the project module, and here if I go to the all task, you will be able to see that particular task will be created here. So if I click on this particular order which we have created, you will be able to see this task will be created inside this particular project module. So this is regarding the creating task from the repair module. So this is connected with the project task module. From repair module you can create this project task. So if you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.